Alright, this is Rafael with Premium Solutions Exterior. Today we are going to do this repair. So we're going to remove that one, and that boot. And well, there are multiple penetrations here that I would like to point it out. Is this. It was raining last night, and as you guys can see, there's water there. There is a caulking here. You guys can see it. See, thing is leaking here. There is an exposed nail here. There is another two here. Actually, you can barely see it, but when it's raining, the water can stay. Can you guys see it here? All around this nail. Look at that one. There are another two on every boot. This one, there is still caulking, but that nail is visible. This is another boot. See the nail? Here, there. Here, there. Look at this one here, and that one, all the way across. Exposed nails, exposed nails, exposed nails, exposed nails, exposed nails, exposed nails. You know what? And I'm gonna do a an experiment here. Remove this one. Look at that one. I think there is an active leak in here. Well, on all of this penetration. It's actually, this boot is not right, so in this way, when it's gonna rain, the water can get in from here. Well, it's time to stop talking. See this nail here, that and that one. I think it's time to stop talking and go to work. Oh, look at this one here. See this nail? That one, this one, and that one. Alright, time to work. See you in a few.
No place I'd rather be than here with you. That's all I need.
Okay, so here we are. That is the leaking. There is another one there and another one here. So as you guys can see, there were three nails. This is the one that was leaking, and by the put. So what I'm gonna do, ya pasó eso. This is the moisture meter. Sí, ya pasó. This is the moisture meter. And look at that one. And it says that it's wet. You can barely see it. Can you guys see it? There. I'm gonna do that one more time. Also this one here. I mean, this is obvious, you know. I'm gonna do that one more time. Okay, this is why I always recommend to leave no exposed nail on any penetration. As you guys can see, the shingle, it was here and then run that way, same on here. But usually roofer or people leave the exposed nail. Now if you guys can see it, the nail were like this. See, they were leaking there, and the one that it was damaging, it was that one. See, right there. This is what happens when you have an exposed nail. Time to work.
There's no one I'd rather see close to me. That's all I need. If I could stay, then I will stay here forever. If you're meant to, then let's be the best together.
Right, this is how it looks now. We replace that one, that boot, and that one. Is, if you guys can see it, no exposed nail. See, and also I'm gonna show you this. This is the ice and water shield and the shingles. Ice and water shield. This one is getting sticky now. With new shingles, this is how it looks now. Looks beautiful. I love it. Right. This is Rafael with Premium Solutions Exterior, 425-599-4850. Feel free to call me or even text me anytime. Thank you so much. Bye bye.